This week, a student, a parent, a business owner, a job seeker, and a creator all saved hours using free AI tools. The difference? They knew something most beginners don't. Let me show you exactly what they did, so you can copy it. This is simply know how to. Let's get into it. Meet Lena, a university student. She has a 2,000-word essay due tomorrow, and she's completely stuck. She's opening tab after tab on Google and getting nowhere. Instead, she opens Perplexity AI. She types, "Explain my topic in simple terms with examples." In seconds, she gets a clear answer with sources. Then she asks, "Give me 3 arguments for and against this topic. What's a good example I can use?" It's like having a personal tutor. 20 minutes later, she has a full outline and multiple pages written. Perplexity AI. Free. No account needed to start. Now this next one is something almost no one uses, but it's insanely useful. Meet David, a busy dad. His kid just brought home a 6-page school newsletter. He has 4 minutes before pickup and 0 time to read it. He opens NotebookLM and uploads the PDF. Then asks, "What events are coming up this month? Is there anything I need to sign? What changed in the rules?" It reads everything instantly. But here's the crazy part. He clicks Audio Overview, and it turns the document into a podcast. 2 AI voices summarizing everything. He listens on the way to school and arrives fully informed. NotebookLM. Free. From Google. Okay, this one is a lifesaver. If you write emails or run anything small. Meet Sofia. She runs a small online shop. She loves making her products, but hates writing emails and descriptions. At 11 at night, tired and stuck, she opens Claude AI. She types, "Write a warm, friendly reply to a customer who received a damaged product and wants a refund." In 3 seconds, it writes a perfect response. Then she types, "Write 5 product descriptions for handmade winter candles." Done. Then, write an Instagram caption for this product. Done. What used to take 2 hours now takes 15 minutes. Claude. Free at Claude.ai. By the way, none of these people are tech experts. Not one of them. Now this next one is the difference between getting ignored and getting interviews. Meet Marcus. He's been applying for jobs for weeks and hearing nothing back. Same CV. Same generic cover letter. Same result, silence. He opens Gemini. He pastes the job description, then his CV summary, then types, Rewrite my summary to match this job and use keywords from the listing. Instant upgrade. Then, write a tailored cover letter for this role. Now every application feels personal and relevant. 2 weeks later, he lands multiple interviews. Gemini. Free at gemini.google.com. And this last one saves hours of work in minutes. Meet Priya. She needs to create a presentation, but building slides takes hours. She opens Gamma. She types one sentence. Create a presentation on 5 free AI tools for beginners. In seconds. Title slide. Structured content. Clean design. All done. She tweaks a few words. And it's ready. 3 hours of work. Done in under 2 minutes. Gamma. Free at gamma.app. So here's what just happened. A student, a parent, a business owner, a job seeker, and a creator all saved hours using free AI tools. No tech skills needed. Now here's the thing. Most beginners only use about 10% of what these tools can actually do. Next week, I'm showing you 10 powerful things you can do with Claude AI that most people have no idea about. You don't want to miss that. Quick question. Which one are you right now? Student, parent, business owner, job seeker, or creator? Comment below. If this helped you, share it with one person who's wasting time doing things the hard way. If you want simple AI tutorials like this every week, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.